All right, guys, in this video, I will be sharing my oat milk recipe, a recipe you must try. We all know that quaker oats contain a lot of fiber. Oat milk is one of the milk I love taking. This is my soaked oat milk. This is my soaked quaker oats, and I'm using it with dates. And then I'm also adding banana. So I added banana to it as well. Let me know if you'll be trying this. You see, I love this drink because it's natural. When I go to the store, I'm always buying oat milk. Guys, you can also agree with me that you cannot compare natural drinks like this with carbonated drink. So it is good to start treating yourself with drinks like this, or preservative with little or no preservative. Nothing I enjoy more than that. After blending, I had to put it in my cheesecloth for me so I can be able to extract the juice properly. But unfortunately, this cheesecloth is too tiny. I normally use this cheesecloth for making tiger nuts. So I had to when I had to transfer it in a sieve, so that way I was able to sieve out the real fiber, like the one that did not blend very well. What I now did, I put it in the pot, and then I use it to make oatmeal. Yeah, I use it to make oatmeal swallow. So here, guys, this is the banana I'm adding. Yeah, I have one overripe banana. So because I don't have vanilla flavor, so I decided to use this banana as the flavor and also a sweetener. So after adding the banana flavor,
Okay, fine, I'm gonna end it tonight. Something toxic holding on to me for dear life. A terrible, terrible high. Needing use an irresistible light. You said you in the air is all that I needed not to die.
after adding the banana, I noticed I will be needing more because I tested it. I needed it. The sweetness is not that obvious, so that was why I added brown sugar to it. So at this point, guys, it's ready. Now it is the mix, so I'm transferring it into a container. Yes, so this drink, you can drink it this way, or you can also serve it along with tea. Yeah, you can also serve it along with